Okay, well, we're going to christen the car. Just going to take Joe down the road just for a short run. Fingers crossed. Ignition on. Whoops. Get out of gear. Starts first time. See in a moment. That first gear, I don't know. No, that's third gear. Oh dear. Those gears need sorting. Second gear. Yep. Whoa, still a lot of work to do on it, but at least it's running, revving a bit high. Just basically trying to get it ready for the MOT. Had an MOT exactly a year ago and I haven't driven it since then. But Joe's been helping me on the job. I'm just going to stop and get out, Joe. We've only been literally a few hundred meters. Let's just get out and have a recce. Okay, now this is the little digital dash. Let's fire her up again. And there's the secondary mode, which is that button there for the moment, because of course it's all going to go on here. We've christened it. Oh my god, it's hot. It rattles about a bit like a bag of nails, and I am a carpenter after all, but it's drivable, and yeah, it's been off the road for 9 years and we're almost there. And thanks to my friend Joe here, who's helped out a lot on the electrics and other things as well, even crawling underneath here under the dashboard to get into various bits that at my age are a bit difficult to get around, but there's a lot to finish off. And of course this central bit here, I'm just waiting for some coiled cable, multi-core cable, to wrap around the steering wheel so that I can have this display unit working, the mode changer for the digital dash and the horn.